Good evening, guys. Engineer Pat 5290. Just want to give you guys a couple of quick updates, but most importantly, thank you all for tuning in to my most recent premiere, which was my National Train Day special in Crewe in Burkeville. I greatly appreciate all of you tuning in. A lot of great users in this one, and I was really pleased for the way this video had turned out. I had not been up there in quite some time, but I had not toured the museum in almost 10 years. So this was a really good um, change of things and also a good way to celebrate National Train Day as well. Uh, Narration returned after about 4 years out. Was the last time I had done a narration, but I was really glad I finally, had the courage to do it again. I did it for a while. I'd stopped doing it, but I thought this was a special video. I thought I'd go ahead and bring it back. So it seems like that a lot of you enjoyed it. I have received several different comments recently, and thank you all so much for your generous support of me and my work. It's just been one great ride, and there's more to come as always. So just want to take that time to say thank you to everyone who tuned into that premiere and for your wonderful comments, and I share my sincere thanks on that. Q&A prompt for May ends tomorrow, May 29th at 11:59 p.m. So you have one day left to ask your questions. I know I've had a couple of comments that have come in within the last couple of days to kind of tie things up, but you do have one more day where you can ask your questions, and the Q&A responses will be done on Memorial Day. So I will be getting that done. I will also be putting out June's Engineers Bulletin as well. I will be getting that out soon. 3170 won the most recent poll for the HO scale slash G scale live stream. I will be getting that done really soon. Time and date right now is TBD. So I don't know when that's going to happen. Hopefully that's going to be soon. I also have a couple of other videos that I'm working on as well. I've been away from the studio, and I apologize. I've had some unforeseen personal circumstances, and this past week I was a little under the weather, but I'm back on my feet, which is great. So yeah, so I'll be able to get back in the studio and start working on some other projects again. So, um, but like I said, the I appreciate all of you for tuning into my most recent premiere. This was a really good one. So, oh yes, I was very very pleased with this. So, there are the updates I have. O gauge layouts continuing to run. I just haven't done a live stream on that in a while, so I'm probably gonna throw one of those in there before too long. Um, and obviously, Model Railroad Mondays will be coming up soon. Um, Looks like it's going to be Monday the 6th, maybe. So Monday the 6th right now is still a little bit tentative, just to make sure I don't have anything else that night. So so that should be a go. Um, I'll be planning out that date. So I've got another pretty good month of June lined up with a couple of other videos I'm working on. I have Model Railroad Mondays, of course, and obviously the Q&A prompts. But this will all be laid out in June's Engineers Bulletin. So that will be coming out on June 1st. So anyway, guys, I hope all of you enjoyed this little update of what's been happening. I know I haven't done one of these in a while, so been running the N scale a little bit, and also just trying to enjoy life and staying busy with work, and I just can't complain right now. So more videos on the way. I will also be having the model railroad stuff coming up again soon, so this is going to be great. So um, anyway, guys, that concludes this update. I'll have more of this lined up in June's Engineers Bulletin. So anyway, guys, that's a wrap for the video. So remember, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and tap that bell to get the notifications for all the latest products that I will be releasing. Really important that you do that, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, guys. Um, I'd like to first off thank everyone for their continued support yet again because it really does mean a lot. your support means the world, not only to me, but for the future of this channel. So, lots more projects continuing to happen. They're going to be coming out real soon. And new locations have already been established for this year, which has been great. I'm looking for more new locations soon. So be on the lookout for some new stuff. So lots more stuff coming soon. So anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed. And I'd like to thank you all so much for watching.